If you're age 55 or older, you may have accumulated debt over the years that's an anchor on your quality of life. Or maybe you had an unexpected event or a health issue that forced you to take on debt. Debt, however it's incurred, can create a strain on your income that, more so than when we're younger, can be very difficult to recover from. Hello, this is Brian Fisk from Reverse Mortgage Strategies, and I'd like to share a strategy that can take unwanted debt off your shoulders and in a matter of months result in a big boost to your income and give you the quality of life you envisioned for your mature years. Let's look at an example of how this can work. We have a man, John Smith, age 60, that would like to retire or at least work more on his own terms. The problem is he still has a mortgage payment and he's accumulated other debt over the years. His debt payments are manageable with his current income, but he can't cut back his hours at work and he certainly cannot retire. Mr. Smith has 15 years left on his $2,000 a month mortgage. In addition, he has another $66,000 of credit card debt, car loans, student loans, and some medical debt. The monthly minimum payments on this debt is $2,500. John would love to cut his work hours and eventually retire and spend more time with friends and family. And John would love it if he could buy an RV and travel around the U.S. and Canada. The $4,500 per month combined mortgage and debt payments are not allowing John to pay down these debts and get on top of his financial situation. John figures in 15 years, when his mortgage is paid off, he'll be able to start paying down these debts. But that's 15 years from now. And when you're 60 years old, you can't wait 15 years to do the things you want to do. You'll never be more healthy and energetic than you are right now. So what can be done about John's situation? John has sufficient equity in his home to refinance his existing mortgage with a reverse mortgage. This eliminates the $2,000 a month mortgage principal and interest payment. John is still responsible for taxes and insurance. And the reverse mortgage also ensures that John can stay in his home the rest of his life. This is a big weight off his shoulders. John can now apply this extra $2,000 a month that he's saving against the $66,000 in debt, utilizing the debt snowball approach. In this simplified illustration, by paying off creditor accounts one by one, each time John pays off a creditor and eliminates that payment, he has more money to apply towards the next account. Pay that off, eliminate that payment, and apply more towards the next account. As these creditor accounts and the payments are eliminated, the amount being applied against the next account grows larger and larger, like a snowball rolling down a hill. In this illustration, the column in blue shows that John applies the initial $2,000 savings from the mortgage payment to pay off his first credit card. He eliminates that $200 a month payment, so in month 2 he now has $2,200 to apply towards credit card number 2, which is paid off by month 3. That eliminates an additional $300 monthly payment, so now John has $2,500 to apply towards the medical debt, which is paid off by month 6, and so on. We can see in the blue column that by month 10, the amount John has to apply against debt has grown to $3,000 a month, allowing John to pay down his debts faster and faster. By month 20, John has paid off all his other creditors and applies $3,900 to finish paying off his last debt, the $24,000 car payment. In 20 months, John Smith has increased his available income by $4,500 per month by eliminating his $2,000 a month mortgage payment, eliminating $2,500 in other debt payment, and he's paid off $66,000 in credit card debt, car loans, the student loan, and the medical debt. He can remain in his home for as long as he lives, and he can now start living the life he envisioned at his age, including possibly cutting back on work or even retiring. What a turnaround in quality of life for John. If you have any questions about reverse mortgages and how they might help you, give us a call. This is Brian Fisk at Reverse Mortgage Strategies, and you can reach me at 800-542-9858. Thank you.